everyone, I'm Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant, and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate ganache in the Thermomix. The first step is to add our chocolate chips into the mixing bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and use the built-in scale and weigh out 3.5 ounces of chocolate. Next, I'm going to chop up the chocolate chips into really fine pieces of chocolate so it's easier and quicker to melt. I have my Thermomix set to 10 seconds at speed 8 to chop up that chocolate. So with my spatula, I'm just going to scrape the coconut cream into the mixing bowl. Cover it with the lid. And I'm going to heat this up to 120 degrees. It will take about 2 minutes while mixing at speed 3. Our chocolate ganache just finished melting. Let's have a look. Wow, took only 2 minutes for perfect chocolate ganache. And now it's ready for topping cakes or dipping strawberries, whatever you'd like to do with it.